Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your account has been disabled with your App Store or iTunes, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to make sure that you haven't any network issue on your iPhone or iPad. So very first, you just have to open your control center, and from here you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and we have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular. And after doing that, you have to go back from here, then open your settings app, then go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Then select transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your passcode and select reset network setting from confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, but it will reset all of your network settings. So if there will be any issue with your internet or network, it will be fixed in this step. And after doing that, you just have to open your Apple settings, then select your Apple ID, and then select sign in and security option. And you have to change your Apple ID password. So if there will be any issue with your Apple ID, it will be fixed in this step. So after changing your Apple ID password, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to open your browser or search for Apple Support, or you can reuse your Apple Support app. So from here, you just have to select your device and then select subscriptions and purchases. And now you just have to select any option relating to your issue. So in my case, I'm going to select help with iCloud Plus. And from here, you just have to select the option of get more help, then select call us. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you'll be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.